Kepler 22b, discovered in 2011 by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, is located in the constellation of Cygnus, about 600 light-years away from Earth. It's one of the first Earth-like exoplanets, discovered in the habitable zone of its parent star, a region where conditions might just be right for liquid water, and potentially life. But Kepler 22b isn't just any planet. It's about 2.4 times the size of Earth, and orbits a sun-like star, with an average temperature around 22 degrees Celsius, 72 degrees Fahrenheit. It seems like a nice place to visit, right? But hold on, things aren't that simple. Let's imagine that humanity has developed the technology to travel 600 light-years in the blink of an eye. Your spaceship glides through the cosmos, passing stars and distant planets, until finally Kepler 22b comes into view. It's a stunning sight, a blue-green orb hanging against the backdrop of space. As you prepare to land, your mind races with excitement. What will you find on this distant world? Will it be lush forests and oceans, strange creatures, or perhaps something even more extraordinary? Your ship touches down on the surface. The landscape outside looks eerily familiar. Rolling hills, perhaps a vast ocean in the distance, and a sky that's a deep, calming blue. But as soon as you step out, things start to feel different. Gravity on Kepler 22b is slightly stronger than Earth's, making each step a bit heavier. The air is thick with a scent you can't quite place, something between fresh pine and damp soil. You check your suit's sensors. The atmosphere is breathable, though it contains traces of unknown gases. You decide to explore. The ground beneath your feet is soft, almost spongy, as if the soil has absorbed too much water. You soon realize why. Kepler 22b might have far more water than Earth. Rivers wind through the landscape, their waters crystal clear but tinged with an odd, iridescent glow. The plant life is strange but beautiful. Towering trees with leaves that shimmer like metal in the sunlight and flowers that change color as you approach them. But there's something unsettling too. The silence. No birds chirping, no insects buzzing, just the soft rustle of the wind. As you continue exploring, you notice that the daylight is starting to fade, but something isn't right. The sun seems to be setting too quickly. Your suit's instruments indicate a rapid temperature drop. You hurry back to the ship, but the terrain that was soft and inviting is now treacherous. The ground begins to harden, and a thick fog rolls in, making it difficult to see. You barely make it back inside before the storm hits. As you monitor the planet from the safety of your ship, your sensors pick up something moving outside. Several somethings, in fact. They're large, fast, and they're coming closer. Suddenly, the fog clears, and you see them. Creatures unlike anything you've ever seen before. They move with a fluid grace, their bodies glowing faintly in the dark. Are they predators? Or are they just curious about the strange visitor who's landed in their world? Kepler 22b might be habitable, but it's also unpredictable and potentially dangerous. The extreme temperature shifts, the bizarre weather patterns, and the presence of unknown life forms make it clear that surviving on this planet would be no small feat. But that's the beauty of exploration, isn't it? The thrill of the unknown, the challenges of survival, and the possibility of discovering something truly extraordinary. Kepler 22b remains a mystery, a distant world, that beckons us to explore further and to push the boundaries of what we know. So, what if you landed on Kepler 22b? You'd find yourself in a world that's as beautiful as it is dangerous, a place that's familiar yet alien. But most importantly, you'd be part of the next great adventure in human history, one that takes us beyond our world and into the stars. Until then, keep looking up, keep dreaming, and who knows, one day, we might just make that journey for real. If you enjoyed this journey to Kepler 22b, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more cosmic explorations, and let us know in the comments where you'd like to go next. The universe is vast, and the adventures are endless.